Hey everybody, let's finish up nature here. For those of you who have been following, you'll notice that I haven't posted the video of me testing out because I was in such a horrible mood yesterday. I
C'est
don't
le
think
plus
it's
petit
fair to
village
put
de
that up
France.
and destroy everybody else's day today. So I'm just going to skip that and we're going to fast forward to getting level 5 finished. This is the smallest village in France, okay? C'est le plus petit village de France.
C'est la plus grosse souris de la maison.
This is the biggest mouse of the house.
Ces souris sont grosses.
Ces souris sont grosses.
Ce cochon est très gros.
This pig is really big. Ces souris sont trop grosses.
C'est la plus jolie souris.
This is the happiest mouse. This is the happiest mouse. Oh, yeah, I thought that said jolly. Great. Jolie is pretty, apparently. There is a lot of happy mice in France. Jolie souris. The happy villages. Villages
Mimi
can't
est
be
le plus gros
happy.
chat du village. Mimi est le plus gros chat du village. Mimi est le plus gros chat du village. Il ne peut plus chasser les souris. Bientôt, il va être plus gros que le cochon.
I can't hear any of that. I have no idea what that was saying. C'est le plus joli. This is the prettiest village in France.
C'est la plus petite souris.
Oh, it was pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't handle it today. Say that again?
C'est la plus petite souris. C'est la plus petite souris.
Okay. Duo, you are the kindest owl. Duo. To a la chouette. I think it's la chouette. A la plus kindest. Gentil.
C'est le plus beau cochon. Ce cochon est très gros.
Huh?
Ce cochon est très gros.
Ce cochon.
Ce cochon est très gros. Ce cochon est très gros.
Okay. Oh, we're so close. I just used the wrong one. Shoot, how do you say small in French? I guess I can just look. Petit. How did I not know that?
C'est la plus jolie souris.
This is the prettiest mouse. There are a lot of happy villages, pretty villages in France.
C'est la plus petite souris.
C'est la plus
C'est la plus petite souris.
petite souris. All right. Making headway here. No, not right now.
Ces lapins sont blancs.
Ces lapins sont blancs. Come on.
Les éléphants sont les plus grands animaux.
The elephants are the biggest animals.
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides?
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides?
Ce sont les plus grands animaux.
These are the biggest animals. These are the biggest animals.
Les chiens sont plus rapides que les lapins.
The dogs are the fastest. No, I just need to say it. Les chiens sont plus rapides que les lapins. Why didn't I get that rapid right?
Rapide.
Rapide. Rapide. Rapide.
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides?
The elephants are fast. Elephants are fast animals. Why didn't it put R in there? I said R. Le lapin mange la. Let's go with garden. Pelouse. Okay.
Dans le jardin, sur la pelouse, il y a 3 petits lapins. Ils sont
that's the
adorables.
problem.
Oh non, le chien sort. Il va attraper les lapins.
Gotta listen to that again.
Dans le
Don't look
jardin,
in the garden.
sur la pelouse, il y a 3 petits lapins.
The three
Ils
small rabbits. in the
sont
grass.
adorables.
They
Oh
are adorable.
non, le chien sort. Il va attraper les lapins.
So there's a dog and it goes to catch the rabbits. The dog is going to eat the rabbits, I think. Yep. Les jardins français sont très jolis.
Quel beau jardin!
Quel beau jardin.
Quel beau jardin!
Le chien is going to catch the rabbit.
Est-ce que le chat va attraper la souris?
I'm sorry?
Est-ce que le chat va attraper la souris? Est-ce que le chat va attraper la souris?
English gardens are very beautiful. English gardens. Jardin anglais. Is that how you say that? Sont très beaux. Jardins anglais sont très beaux. So this has got to be some kind of a glacis. Because it's plural, but I don't think it's plural. We're going to go with that. Oh, such a huge disappointment. Les éléphants mangent le pelouse. Les éléphants Mange le pelouse. Oh, this is the elephant. Lord, I'm doing just about as bad as yesterday. Dogs are faster than rabbits. Les chiens sont plus rapides que les lapins. Oh goodness, I'm failing fast. I don't want to do this anymore. If I can't get any of them right, it's very disheartening. This cat is not going to catch the mouse. Ce chat ne attrape le souris. Le chat ne attrape pas le... Y'all got to give me a moment. Can I have a second to formulate the words, please? Why does it have to be so quick? Oh. Le chat. Okay, the cat is not gonna catch the mouse. And I think mouse is feminine. So we're gonna go la souris. Of course not. Oh no, I'm never gonna get it. Have. They have. Oh, I think. Ears. Oreilles. Les éléphants ont les oreilles plus gros. Okay. The elephants. All means to go, I think. I think that means they go. Oh no, I got it right. I cheated. I cheated and I still didn't get it right. Oh God, I'm gonna have to start doing all of the lessons. I'm gonna have to start doing all of them. Like, there's 5 lessons in each lesson. I don't know how to differentiate them. In each level, there are 5 or 6. There's 6 lessons in each level, and there's 5 levels. I'm gonna have to do 30 lessons. Like, I was totally content doing the first 6 lessons, then testing out of the ones in between, because I was able to without any issues, and then do the last 6 lessons. But if it's this difficult for me, I'm obviously not learning. No, I don't know. Maybe I don't want to worry about this right now.
Est-ce que les éléphants sont des animaux rapides?
Are elephants fast animals? Pelouse. Les jardins anglais sont très beaux. With an X. L'éléphant mange le pelouse. La pelouse. Le chien I said lay. Didn't I say lay? I said lay. Sont plus rapide de K. I think it's K. Lay. Lapins. Okay, getting somewhere. Ce chat ne va pas attraper la souris. Souris. Okay. L'éléphant. L'éléphants ont les oreilles plus grandes. So I'm not getting the word order right. And it's les éléphants ont les plus grandes oreilles. Les plus grandes oreilles. Les elephants ont les plus grandes oreilles. Thank you, Lord. So I'm not as good as I thought I was. What's new? That happens to me every day.
Campagne. Campagne.
Compagne.
Tu entends le bruit des voitures?
Do you hear a noise of the cars? Tu entends le bruit des voitures?
Tu entends ça?
Do you hear that?
À la campagne, j'entends les chevaux.
In the country, I hear the horses. À la campagne, j'entends les chevaux.
Ce cheval est le plus rapide.
This horse is the fastest. This horse is the fastest. Okay. Ce cheval Oh, this is asking me what the I think elephant would have CETTE in front of it because begins with a vowel.
Les chevaux font du bruit.
Les chevaux font. Oh, nope, luchador. Oh, Lisa, that's my aunt. The horses make noise. Tu préfères la vie ou la campagne?
J'ai 4 chevaux. Morel est mon plus grand cheval. J'ai aussi un chat et un chien. J'ai 4 chevaux. Morel est mon plus grand cheval.
Okay.
J'ai aussi un chat et un chien.
Okay.
J'aime habiter à la campagne avec mes animaux.
He likes living in the country with his animals, but
J'ai
J'ai
4 chevaux.
have 4
Morel
horses.
est
Morel
mon
is
plus
my
grand
biggest
cheval.
horse.
J'ai
I have
aussi un
also
chat
a
et
cat
un chien.
and a dog.
J'aime
I
habiter
like to live
à la campagne
in the country
avec
with
mes
my
animaux.
animals. Why prefer she to live in the country? She loves animals, even though it was a man talking. Okay. Entends.
J'entends le chien.
J'entends le chien. Can I get a... Les chevaux font bruit. Is it de bruit? I'm gonna get rid of that. Oh, it's do. Du bruit.
Tu entends ce bruit?
Tu entends ce bruit? Let's put an S on the end of that and see what happens. Ce bruit. Do you hear this noise? I hear the dog. J'entends le chien. Elle préfère le compagnie. I think it's la campagne. Okay, all right. Tu entends ce bruit? Tu entends ce bruit? That just rolled right off my tongue. What a beautiful horse. Quel beau cheval. Quel beau cheval. Les chevaux font du bruit. Okay. And that is it for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you learned something, and I will see you tomorrow for a little more French nature. Okay, bye.